wa mutongoria wa bururi Charleen Ruto niacerete kaunti ya Turkana na kuheana iratu kwa arutwo a cukuru ya Lochor Aikeny na cukuru ya arutwo mena wathe kuu Lodwar.
Kuja leo Turkana, Lochor Aikeny, Lodwar kwa sababu ya zero barefoot. Zero barefoot tunakuja kupatia watoto viatu. Tunasema ya kwamba bringing dignity in our schools. SDG number 4 of quality education. We want all the students, all the kids in public primary schools from the needy background to have shoes. That is why leo tumekuja hapa Lochor Aikeny kupatiana viatu. Leo hii katika hii shule tumepatia watoto viatu na watoto wamefurahi. Watoto wameimba na sisi na wamefurahi. Na
aingĩ arutwo acio matikoretwo magĩthiĩ cukuru nĩ ũndũ wa ũkia ũrĩa ũkoragwo ũmagumĩire ũndũ ũmwe na cukuru gũkorwo irĩ kũraya. Makiria ma arutwo 30 nĩo magunĩkĩte na ũteithio ũyũ ũrĩa ũkinyanĩirio kũgerera tabarĩra ya Zero Barefoot Campaign.
Mimi mwenyewe nasikia vizuri kwa sababu number 1 tumetembelewa na msichana wetu ambaye pia ni first daughter wa rais wetu kwa kampeni ya Barefoot kuja kuhakikisha kwamba watoto wa hapa wa shule hii ya Lochor Aikeny pia wamekuwa supported kwa kupewa viatu.
Gavana wa Turkana Murkai uria uma hamwe mihango-inĩ ĩno nĩatũgĩrĩtie mũhango ũyũ na kũria andũ aingĩ kwĩyumĩria nĩguo gũteithia arutwo aya. Nĩoigĩte kaunti ya Turkana nĩ nene na gũkinyĩra arutwo othe nĩ ũndũ wĩ hinya.
And I want to really appreciate Charlene for really coming with his team, with our team, to come and join the county of Turkana people to support our children with this very important program. I also want to reiterate that the partners, the investors, the other government agencies should really support this program, because I find it a very necessary program, because it goes to get the most poor children deep in the villages. And like what has been done here, our kids, like all of them, have gotten at least a pair of shoes. This is something that we need to reckon, we need to support.
Aciari arĩa arutwo ao magunĩkĩte ona matitigĩtwo na thutha harĩ kũgathĩrĩria tabarĩra ĩno. Ciana ciao rĩu nĩ ikũhota gũthoma.
Wakati watoto wanatembea bila viatu, ikifika saa ya kwenda lunch nyumbani hawaendi kwa sababu jua ni kali, watakaa mpaka jioni ndio waende manyumbani. Nashukuru sana Charlene, Mungu wa amani akubariki. Mungu aliyekupea hiyo roho aendelee kukupea. Ngirifuatira Muthingi TV getwo Masai Wachira.